Hello everyone, welcome back to General Maths Year 12, and today we're gonna doing the describing the stem plug or and the histogram. Hopefully you guys are able to understand this one so far. We're learning this one in year 11. Hopefully you guys still remember. So we do symmetric score and the difference, and we can say um as a symmetric the distribution looks like the little higher mountains, and for leaves it looks like this one as well for the stem plugs. Um, so there's a single peak for the data trails of the both sides, and the peak roughly the same fashion. The single peak from the data at 3 on this stem on the right. So we can say here. And the numbers of observations that reduce approximately matching the fashion. So negative score will be like this, and positive score will be like this. So clearly we can say, if I say to the stem plug, so positive score will be like much like that, going from there. That's a for leaf, if you still remember. And for negative score will be like that. Yep. So that's the difference. So the question on the leaf we can say is clearly a positive score. So we can say the distribution of this data is positively score. Just double check. Did the pronunciation right? Yes. So some questions like this, I want you guys to have a look as well. To name the positive and negative score and answer the questions like this way. Hopefully they all make sense. Yeah. Hopefully and we can go through some of the exam questions as well. That's very short one, so that's why I'm gonna continue with the knowledge of summary statistics. So today we're gonna talk about the media and mode. So media is the middle number of the data. So media we can say, if you had order for the even numbers, we say the n plus 1 divided by 2, the precision will be the media. So for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 numbers, so 7 plus 1 divided by 2 will be fourth number. All right, so fourth number 1, 2, 3, 4 will be the media. So this is how to relate here. All right, the mode, so which the mode number will be the most often happening the numbers in the frequency. So like highest frequency will be the mode. For example, if you see the dot plot will be help you guys to remember if you had 1, 2, 3, and that's all the data like that. So you can see the mode will be 2. Hopefully that makes sense. And summary statistics, which is we need to know the IQR, which is interquartile range, and the range which is the maximum to minimum. And highest value, which is the maximum, lowest value will be the minimum, which is hopefully you understand this one broadly. And so interquartile range, which is Q1, Q2, and Q3. For Q2, I want you guys know the Q2 is media. And Q1 is the lower quarter, so which is from Q1 to this side is 25% of the data. Q1 to Q2 is 25% of data from here. Q2 to Q3 is 25% of the data. And Q3 to the maximum is 25%. So in total, 100%. So in case, let's have a look. 3, 6, 10, 12, 15, and 21. So Q1, Q3. So you can say the media in between, which is 10 plus 12 divided by 2, which is 22 divided by 2 is 11. Okay, this is how you get. And another one, media is 13, so it's an odd number, media. And now what we do is ignore this middle number. So we can see there's 3 numbers. So 9 is the Q1. There's the 3 numbers. That's a Q3. All right. And another one will be, we can say we have the 8 numbers. So this one could adding all together divided by 2 is the 12.5. And 3 plus 9 is 12 divided by 2 is 6, will be your Q1. And 17 and 21 plus together is 38. So divided by 2 is 19. So then Q3 minus Q1 will be 13. So what we do is, what we can do to using this one as in the CAS calculator, I will show you how. Because it's too much numbers and then I don't want use by hand. So I'm going to show you how to do by CAS and during the class. Basically, which is you're going to list all these numbers and then you control dot. You can go into the add calculator and then menu statistics, and you will see the data stats and one variable stats, and then you will find the list. And then you can say Q1, Q3, minimum, maximum, media as well, and that's all numbers you need. Hopefully that makes sense, and I will see you guys next time.